What's good, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy NikeLab coming to you guys with another review. Today we have the NikeLab times Undercover tee. Let's get into it. I purchased this piece in XL. Personally, I wish I would have got a double XL. It does fit me, so I would say it runs true to size, but I wish I would have got a little looser fit. Now I'm 6'3", 220 pounds for sizing reference, and I'm still cool with XL, but like I said, I wish I would have got a double XL. But looking into this, you see a big Nike swoosh on the front. Of course, you have Undercover, and you also see the pockets, which is super dope. Kind of has like a hoodie pouch pocket, and you have two zippers on the side that are super nice. And the zipper's actually pretty long. I'll show you guys. They go all the way, I'll just flip it to the back. They go all the way straight in the back. And I also reviewed the hoodie of this. It's like the same exact thing, where it has balance on one side. I can show you guys, my fault. Balance on this side, and then chaos on this one. It's just on the sleeves. And you also add the chaos and balance in the back. There's that little tag. It's really nothing crazy. This is just on a Nike dry fit tee. It has obviously the front pouch, and then you have your two zippers. And then also kind of has a cool little end, which you don't really see normally on dry fit, the way this is edged out, which is super nice. It gives like a really premium feel. It's super, super warm too. It's not like a very thin or lightweight dry fit tee. It's not heavy, but it's like it feels pretty good quality. As I get into here, it's 65% polyester and 35% rayon. And yeah, it says it should be washed inside out. And I just washed this piece on delicate and then just let it hang dry. It also has the sideways swoosh. It's not an actual tag, but it's actually on the shirt. So this is how you know it's NikeLab. This is a super dope tee, and especially with having the shoes. I really like these, the little overbreak, and the hoodie is super nice. This is a tee that I've worn quite a bit, and as you guys can see, it's held up pretty nice. I mean, I take care of it when I wash it. It does have little like dingle balls on it, but this tee's held up pretty good. I believe the retail was $90 if I remember correctly. It is a little bit of an older piece, I believe 2018 or 2019, but it still looks pretty great. I don't think Nike stuff really ages. Other than those couple of details though I was telling you guys about, there's really not much more to talk about. I think this would be a really good piece for you to add to your collection. I hope you guys really enjoyed. I'll drop the product number for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will be posting a ton of content on NikeLab and Nike Tech. Thank you guys again. I'm out.